Jesus Christ. Good evening, one and all. As you all know, Jeffrey and Jovina, this whole month they participated in this Bible proclamation. Prior to that, last like in the month of beginning of August, Premlata ma'am had told Jovina, asked her to join. Previously, also even I asked her to join, but she was hesitating, playful here and there, and both of them were not joining. And when Premlata ma'am had really like when she insisted, Jovina was very interested to join in that. She came running to me asking, Amma, shall I join? I said, very well, you can join. What is, I want you to join. And immediately, even her brother also joined along with her. Every day they are joining, even before, sometimes even 8:50 also they'll log in and they'll be sitting. Whatever maybe their work, they'll leave it and they'll come. Spiritual, it is like God's call, or I don't have any words to tell. It happened like this, it happened in this way. And as like every other kid, Jovina is also a bit a playful kid. She will learn everything here at home. She learns everything with me very well. She learns and she recites everything. She writes all the answers to me. There will be no issue. Like the way she goes to exam will be like she'll get out. That way she prepares and she goes every time for all the exam from the beginning of her LKG class. I'm telling. But there in the examination, I don't know what will happen to her, what kind of distraction she gets, or I don't know what is happening. There she'll not write much. She will write only for pass. Just for a pass mark, pass percentage, she'll write. And she'll just give the papers and she'll. So many times I've told her, but she is so very playful that she is not able to understand what I was telling her. But this month, by God's grace, every day she is attending this Bible proclamation. God's wisdom has touched her. And even her PT2 exams, also all the days of her PT2 exams, she joined Bible proclamation. And miraculously, this time out of 40, everything she has got above 30 in all the subjects. This is really something, a great miracle. And today she got her social paper, in that she has got 38 out of 40. Like all these things, I know the child, but she's something was lagging behind. She was lacking something in herself, so she was not able to produce in her examination. Now, it's the wisdom of God which has enlightened her, which has shown the way. Every time I'll tell Jeffrey and Jovina, spiritually you must be rich. Always you have to be rich in spiritual. Whatever inheritance, whatever property we give to our kids, the spiritual growth is the most important thing each parent should give a kid. This is my view. And with regard to Jeffrey's studies, last year he wrote his board examination. Board examination, as usually we got Bible proclamation before his social examination. Before 2 days of his social examination, we got our Bible proclamation. he he will take a long time for preparing, because reflection and all he likes to give. He prepares a law. He takes a lot of time and he prepares for the reflection. But still he did it. And though he had so much to learn in social exam, he prepared and he did. And this is also one more testimony, wherein comparatively with all the other subjects, his highest score was in social, that was 90 percentage. All the other subjects he had scored like above 80 to 90, 84, 87, 86, like that. But in social was his highest score, which was 90. And this also, I believe it was only by, because he was reflecting on God's word. That is why he has scored well. That only directed him. And now Jeffrey and Jovina, they like to share a few words.